Hi guys, welcome to We Build Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to put a new belt on your lawnmower. My old belt's a little shredded and different. Come take a look at this. As you can see right here, this part's a little bit worn down. It's not as thick as it used to be and it was causing us issues. We had a lot of smoke coming from our pulleys. First thing you want to do is start by removing your mower deck. It's going to look different for everybody, depending on what model you have, but overall, it's going to be a similar process. A lot of the time, there'll be a series of little clips like this that you might be able to grab with pliers, maybe long ones, or sometimes you might be able to just pull it off with your hand. I'm going to use the pliers. Sometimes you got to give them a little wiggle. Some things could be rusty. There's going to be probably 6 or 8 of those depending on your mower. Once you've got all those loose and you figure out how to get this thing to the ground, and sometimes it's easy if you adjust a few things on your mower, you're going to want to get that belt off. There we go. And then we can get our mower deck free. Let's just put it down. I need your help. I'm going to lift this up so you can pull this way. You ready? 1, 2. Yeah, do you see? So you're going to have to give it a jiggle and pull. It's gonna... Okay. So with the mower deck off, and something to stop your mower from rolling, in my case, mine died on a hill and I don't want to die on a hill. I got to get my body under there and take a look at the sad belt. So first, there's going to be the pulley that's attached to the motor. This whole thing can come off, but we're going to leave it attached. Next over here, we have a tensioner. This goes back and forth. There's kind of a spring system, another belt guide, and a bunch of these little clips. Follow those all the way down. I'm going to call this the diff, whether that's the right name for this gear thing. Here, mine has a little fan on top, but I think that's for keeping grass from getting pulled. Now, it's a little bit difficult to pull this off due to its tightness, so we want to loosen that. In my case, I'm going to put my clutch all the way down, engage my park brake. There we go. And when I go back underneath, it should be loose. So you see, I can really get that nice and loose now. I'm going to use my normal hands now. I'm going to start with stuff that seems easy. Some of these clips might be bendy, some are solid. You might just have to work your way around. That pulley, you just kind of work them off. Make sure you know what way they went back on. Tensioner, things are loose. I'm going to do that one next. There we go. And I should be able to work it off of the motor there, that pulley. I might have to bend a few little pieces of metal to get to it. All right. Now I'm going to go down to the diff, or whatever you want to call that. Feel free to call me out and tell me what words are wrong. That's all right. Now with this fan here, I'm going to have to kind of maybe work it around a little bit. Try to spin it one way or another. Oh, top part's getting off. There we go. So that one's loose. Now back up to the motor on the front. And I should be able to just work that off. Beautiful. For mine, I'm using an OEM replacement belt. This is by Stens. It's a 265-069. And the belt that it's replaced for me, at least in my case, it was a 140294. If you're not sure where to find those numbers, you could manually measure your old belt and compare it. Or, look what I found. I've got a big list of part numbers here that go with my Craftsman mower. So 140294 is what I needed. I can compare the two belts. They look pretty close. Mine is a 1/2 inch wide by 82 1/4 inches long. Whatever that is in metric, you can use a calculator for that. Let's put it back on the same way. Let's see which side I should start from. I'm going to try over here by the diff this time. Got a bunch of little things. Just try to get it behind there as best you can. Get it so it seats on that pulley. Is there right or wrong? I don't know. It's all about the end result. Okay, that's on there. Off to the front now. Can I fit it? don't know, it's kind of tight, isn't it? Huh. Maybe I should have put it on here first. So let's put it on there first. I'll take it off again. Okay, that's on a bit of an easy part. Now down to the diff. Will it stretch for me? Okay, there we go. Off to the front. Use your fingers, work your way in there, move the metal as needed. Excellent. Find all the little spots that need a guide. Here there's a little, off to the middle one. That one is going to end up going like that way. I have to work that in. This new belt's a lot nicer. Little pieces of metal to move. Yeah, and that one's gonna go, oh, I gotta get over top of that. So I'm gonna have to stretch that a little bit. So you may have to take things on and off. Make it work. Yeah. That one's gonna have a back part right there. Otherwise, what's the point of it? I think. Or did it go on beside it?
I think it does. Look at the diagram to on your side of the file.
Does it have a diagram?
Yeah, look at.
On where?
Look,
point to it.
On the green, right there. Do you see it? Look up. Look up. Look up. Look
Here,
there.
come here, film it.
Pointing it.
Oh, my son just discovered something that I didn't realize. Look at that. The way that things are supposed to go. Cool. Nicely done, buddy. Okay, so it doesn't need to go on that clip, eh? You think it's gonna go there, eh?
Look at the diagram.
Well, we're gonna find out. I think it looks pretty good. All right, now it's pretty loose right now. So we're going to double check that everything is seated, every pulley down here too. So we got that one there. In the right spots, in the right spots. Up in there, good. Let's disengage the clutch. And everything there should be good. Things aren't rubbing where they shouldn't be. The tensioner is holding it tight. Should be all right. Well, I think it's time for a startup test. Belt looks like it's on okay. We're gonna give it a minute to warm up and then we'll see if she starts. Look at that lovely colored smoke. We got this thing for free and it hasn't needed a whole lot of work. Well, it's running up. Let's see what it is. We got a 19 horsepower. Our old one was a Briggs. Carbon stuff is the same. Let's see if it wants to go forward. All right, it's alive. All we needed was a new belt. We'll go ahead and reattach the mower deck, and then we can get this thing back to work. We're good to go ahead and reattach the mower deck, same way you took it off. Be safe, have fun. Happy yard work. We are in the brake.
It won't move unless the rocks are moved. The brake doesn't work.
Yeah, no, I just mean getting the pulley. I guess that's as loose as it goes.
I can